Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget with Aspiration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Aspiration, first, download the Aspiration app from your app store. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to facilitate easy transfer of funds. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its layout and functionality. Access the budgeting tool by navigating to the budgeting section in the app. Begin by inputting your income sources, ensuring you include all monthly earnings. Next, list your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Follow this by adding your variable expenses, including groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Set realistic spending limits for each category based on your past habits and future goals. Utilize the app's suggestions to adjust your spending limits if necessary. Monitor your transactions daily to stay updated on your spending habits. Review your budget at the end of each month to assess your performance. Adjust your budget categories as needed based on fluctuating expenses or changes in income. Take advantage of the savings features that Aspiration offers, such as cash back on purchases. Stay consistent with your budgeting to cultivate positive financial habits over time. Consider using the app's tools to set savings goals, like vacations or emergency funds. Finally, regularly engage with the educational resources in the app to enhance your financial literacy. This will empower you to make informed decisions and refine your budgeting strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.